Uh, so I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 14:05. Few minutes back I got freshen. So last night it was some self-examination of the nasal thing. I was checking out what has been done, what. So it's very tangled inside. Few of the bones are here, then what do you call it? Rhinoplasty and something from S plastic. What is that? Now I don't remember. So I guess both the stuff will be. Uh, so I was checking it out, and scammers were thinking they were quite intelligent all this time by doing stupid things, right? Now I'll tell you. हिंदी में बोलता हूँ अभी, बहुत एवरीवन शुड नो. ये फ़ोन वो लोग फिजिकल एक्सेस कर रहे, लेकर जा रहे. मैं सोया या बाहर गया या किधर, मैं सोया रहेगा तो दरवाज़ा ओपन रहेगा तो कपड़े और फ़ोन. हाँ, और पिछले 3 साल से इस फ़ोन में एविडेंसेस रिकॉर्ड किए गए थे. हाँ, वो एविडेंसेस चुरा रहे और अपलोड कर रहे. हाँ, और पुलिस को दिखा दिया, सबको दुनिया को दिखा दिया कि देखो ये IMEI है, मतलब जो फ़ोन मैं कैरी कर रहा हूँ. तो वो एविडेंस चुरा के अपलोड कर रहे, तो उनका भी IMEI मेरा ही फ़ोन है. हाँ, उसका भी IMEI मेरा ही फ़ोन है. आर्ट मटेरियल से लेके डिवाइसेस से लेके सब कुछ. हाँ, एविडेंसेस सारे तो सेम IMEI है. तो अभी उन्होंने जो अपलोड किए हुए एविडेंसेस है वो डाउनलोड करके कोई उनका IMEI चेक नहीं कर रहा है क्या? कि वो फिजिकल एक्सेस करते हैं, डाटा चुरा रहे और चौधम जाति कर रहे और फ़ोन रख रहे और बोल रहे कि ये देखो ये वो लड़का है. तो वो डाटा कई जगह गया उनके पास जो उन्होंने अपलोड किया है शान पट्टी चोदने के लिए. समझे? ये अक्लमंदी है ना बहुत बड़ी उनकी, या बेवकूफ़ी. सो माई फ़ोन एंड माई मदर्स फ़ोन बोथ आर, उसमें एविडेंस है जितने अपलोडेड है, जितने भी रिकॉर्डेड है, दे स्टोल इट एंड दे अपलोडेड इट. क्या है IMEI क्या है? which IMEI the evidences are recorded. Now it's publicly, it's out there that this IMEI is used by me, and those evidences are filmed by me in my house, right? How come that IMEI evidences have gone there? तो अच्छा, वो जब भी लेके गए फ़ोन तभी देन इट वेंट. अच्छा, ओके. While message planting and fucking their mother and sister. Okay, good, cool, keep it up. I'll keep my phone at the door, keep fucking your mother. You, not me. Yeah, and your sister. You, not me. One more thing. The identity fraud guy, the one who does the identity fraud guy and get replaced by me, please do it. Please fucking do it. I'll get rid of this mess. Please fucking do it. Please go for it. I'll get rid of this mess. And it proves that it was done, that replacement was done to smash my face. This, the smashing of face was done to replace me by someone. Identity fraud. Cool. Keep it up. Quite, quite, what do you call it? A genius move. So, I was like, check the IMEI please of the evidences. Getting this one. Which is stole and upload in the past 3 years. The evidences which I filmed in Chembur House. Look, houses I gave it on rent. Huh? They are lies. Half of the bungalow I sold. Then they are lies. Huh? Then what? Still, they got fucked in their own lives. Even after the stage is theirs, consider this. They got the stage where they want to set a drama, and they look like a donkey over there. So, thank you for doing the physical access to this phone, portraying me bad, dropping the IMEI of this phone to the entire country or the entire world. That IMEI filmed evidences you stole and uploaded. Scammers stole and uploaded. Thank you for doing this. I said there is a reason behind using this phone. So, it's intelligence. Right? So whatever evidences, whatever art material, whatever devices, stuff I filmed from this phone and my mother's phone, they stole it and uploaded it. Art material, devices, evidences, everything, and case details. Thank you for doing this. And they did physical access to my phone and showed me bad. And how come that IMEI evidences have gone there? They did physical access to my mother's phone and stole all the art material. Huh? And what do you call it? Downloaded that app, Zepto, Shetopto, whatever they have, and downloaded. And what happened? They stole that stuff and uploaded, and my mother's IMEI is gone. Good, cool. I have never seen such a intelligent people in my life. Never seen such intelligent people in my life. Half of my bungalow is on rent, half of my bungalow is sold. Even after the stage where the star is, the star is out of that stage. But after entering that stage, they look like a donkey. Because I don't need any kind of stage. What do you call it? I'll shine like a star wherever I go. Anyways, I was checking out the nasal thing. So, self thing was happening last night. What has to be done? What has to be. So, I'll give my thing to the surgeon and let's see what happens. But it's time for that. I want to see after the swelling goes how my face looks. So is that surgery is also necessary or not? I want to see because swelling is still there. So I gotta see this stuff. So, geniuses and intelligence. Keep fucking yourself, will you?